Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Here we are going to study about the process to compare the decimal numbers and also to expand the decimal number, means to write them in expanded form. This all process we have done already with the simple numbers, and here we are going to do this with decimal numbers. First of all, let us start with the comparison. In case of decimal number, whenever it is asked to us that which one is greater or which one is the smaller one, so how to compare the decimal numbers, let us see here. As here we have the first number 0.5 or 0.05, we have to compare them. How to compare? See here. First of all, we will compare the whole number, that is the number given before this point. So before decimal in both the numbers we have 0. So in this aspect they both are same. Now we'll start comparing the digits given after decimal. First place after decimal is 5 and here first place after decimal is 0. So obviously 5 is greater than 0. So by comparing the very first place after decimal we got it 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now let us go for the second example. 0.2 or 0.200. Now here you see the place before decimal 0 0 same. First place 2 2 same. Second place it doesn't have, it has 0 and next one is also 0. So what to do in such case? In such case what you can do, I would like to tell you about the like decimals before that. Like decimals means that the decimal number which have equal number of digits after decimal. As it has 1, it has 3, so they are unlike decimals, right? Here you can see the another example. Here after point we have 1 2 3 numbers and here also 1 2 3 numbers, so they both are the like decimals. Got it? And easily you can make two decimal numbers as like, because at the end in case of decimal numbers at last you can add up number of zeros as many you want. Means that if after that I want to put 5 zeros, I can put 5. Here also if I want 2 more zeros I can put, because it will not make any change in the number, right? So here also if we see that if I will put 2 zeros at the end of this also, it will not make any change, and then they both will be like decimals and their value will also be same as it is now also. So what we can say here, if I'll try to make them like, so here I can see 1 2 3 numbers are there. So here also 1 already there, 2 3. I made here also 3 digit after the points, and here the number I am writing it as it is. Now you can easily see that they both are the same, right? So that they both are equal. So we can say that 0.2 and 0.200 are equal. Got it? So you just have to compare. You don't have to see that here only 2, and if we see only number after decimal, so it is 200, so that is the greater one. The numbers after decimal you have to see according to their position also. After decimal first place 2, after decimal first place 2, equal. Nothing is there, here it is 0, since 0 means nothing only, so they are equal in this case. Now we'll go for the third point here. The number before decimal 24, here also 24. Now we are start comparing the numbers given after point. First place after point 2 2 same. Second place after decimal 0 3, so 3 is greater than 0, so this whole decimal number is greater than this number. So in this way you can see that comparison of decimal numbers is so very easy as we do in the general whole numbers. Now let us see about the expanded form of the decimal numbers, how to write the decimal numbers in expanded form. Here I have written one decimal number, then I am going to write it in its expanded form. See it here. First, as we usually write the expanded form, the number given before decimal, we will write it as it is in general form only, as it is ones, tens, hundred. Before decimal, we used to place them in this way only, as we always do, ones, tens, hundred, right? After decimal, from left to right we go, right? And here no place of ones, directly 10, and it is not tens, it is tenth. Which one? This one. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th. Got it? That means here it is 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000, 1 upon 10,000, and so on. So, according to 100 tens ones, we will write it in this way only, as we always do. 2 is at hundreds place, plus 4 is at tens place, plus 5 at ones place. This we have written in expanded form. Now, after decimal, it starts from 10th place. 2 upon 10 plus 4 100th place plus 8 1000th place plus 6 10,000th place. So this is the expanded form of this decimal number. Before decimal it is general form, as we always do. After decimal it starts from 10th, 100th, 1000th and 10,000th. Right? So hope the process is clear to you. So please, if you like the video, press the like button. You can leave your comments and queries in the comment box. Please share it as much you can, and don't forget to subscribe the video and press the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you so much.